7 people, including a 2-year-old, tested positive for the UK strain. According to the Union Health Ministry, 7 returnees, including a child who recently returned to Meerut with her parents, was infected with the mutant variant. The Health Ministry said samples of all international passengers who arrived between December 9th and 22nd, if tested positive, will be subjected to genome sequencing. Currently, 20 UK returnees have tested positive for the new variant. The daily COVID-19 fresh cases in India dipped below 20,000 for the third consecutive day. The total number of cases in the country stands at 1.02 crore. However, the COVID-19 death toll has increased to 1.48 lakh. Larger states such as Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh continue to witness a high number of cases. The centre has called the protesting farmers for a meeting today to discuss the farm laws. The farmer unions had agreed to restart negotiations with the government. The farmers have been adamant that the 3 laws be withdrawn, but the Agriculture Minister has said that the government will not budge under pressure. The farmers have been camping at the national capital borders since November 26th. Union Defence Minister Rajnath Singh said farmers are the backbone of the country. He raised objections to them being branded as Khalistanis or Naxals. Rajnath Singh also lashed out at Congress leader Rahul Gandhi and stated that he doesn't know anything about farming. The minister said that the farm reform laws have been made in the interest of farmers and the farmers should let laws be implemented for 2 years. Bangladesh authorities sent a second batch of 1,084 Rohingyas to an isolated island in Bay of Bengal. A total of 3,446 Rohingyas were taken to the new camp in 2 batches. Earlier, Rohingyas were taken in 6 ships to the new island. According to officials, 1 lakh Rohingyas will be taken to Bhasanchar in phases. This group of Rohingyas will be in the state-of-the-art housing project there. While Pakistan is still fighting its case in European Union against India's move to get basmati rice registered as its product, the commodity is still not registered in the country. According to few media reports, there are no rules of the Geographical Indications Registration and Protection Act 2020 enacted in March this year, and as a result, basmati is not yet a protected product in Pakistan. The issue of protecting basmati rice as a product of Pakistan came to light after India submitted an application to the European Union claiming sole ownership of the commodity in September this year. The United States has reported its first case of the new highly infectious variant that emerged in the UK. The patient has been identified as a man in his 20s in the state of Colorado. The man has no recent travel history and officials have begun contact tracing of his close contacts. Meanwhile, US President-elect Joe Biden has called for amping of vaccination across the United States. The speculation over where the third test between India and Australia would be held has ended. Cricket Australia confirmed that the test would take place in Sydney. There were reports that the venue might be shifted to Melbourne due to COVID restrictions in place in Sydney that would have restricted the movement of cricketers. The third test will be held from January 7th. Bollywood celebrities are gearing up for New Year celebrations, and it looks like the biggies will be celebrating it in Rajasthan. Ranbir Kapoor and Alia Bhatt are in Jaipur with Neetu Kapoor and Riddhima Kapoor Sani. And interestingly, joining them is Bollywood sweethearts Ranveer Singh and Deepika Padukone. Rumours are abuzz that Ranbir Kapoor and Alia Bhatt might tie the knot in Rajasthan. Earlier this week, Ranbir Kapoor had said that Alia and him would have been married if not for the pandemic.